Guys. Oh, healthy na ulit ang baby ko. Kailangan lang ang mama, oh. Ayan, oh. Oh, kumakain na. Oh, si Bobby.
Kaya nga ako super selos
Oh, ayan si Sam, oh. Ah, baby. Oh.
Kaya nga ako super selos. Biruin mo, ang tagal kong magkasama rito ni Sam. Hindi umayos yung pakiramdam. Pero nung dumating si Mama, biglang
Of course.
gumaling. So, super selos.
Super selos si Bobby.
Oo. O sige pa, may explanation daw.
And what's the reason?
Well, Baba didn't ask me what I wanted. He just asked what you wanted. He just asked, what do you want me to do?
You know how to defend
Kuya,
yourself, ha?
You're happy? Enjoy?
Yes.
Nabusog?
I just ate I think I ate the pasta there. It's like cheese, and then I also ate like red sauce with ketchup. After that, I just ate ice cream. I recommend the hazelnut, but not the white one because it's so sour.
What do you mean?
O, dito na lang ako babawi kay Mos. O, Mos, halika. Tingnan mo. Very, masaya si Mos dahil kasama ako. O, tingnan mo.
Boys night
Okay
out.
na.
I like the food.
O,
You
tingnan
like the
mo.
food?
Okay. Ito na ang aking baby.
Ang mata, nakuha sa video.